Hello everyone. Now we will discuss about Lean Library. It can turn your home web browser to your library's one. So you might remember that when you go to a library and then open a web browser, usually you can get access to all paywalled articles and news. Now you can do that also at home. Of course, it is limited to universities and organizations who have collaborated with Lean Library. Why we actually need that kind of thing? So sometimes we need to access paywalled articles, but we don't have time to go to the library. Of course, some of you might have access to proxy, but still searching articles with proxy is less convenient. So that's why we have Lean Library. So now how to install and use Lean Library. First, installation. So we can open a browser and we can go to leanlibrary.com. And after that, you can see a button on top right called Add to Chrome. You can click it. And then after that, click again another button, Add to Chrome. And then after that, click Add Extension. So basically, it will install Lean Library in your web browser, which is Google Chrome. And now in here, Lean Library will ask about your own affiliation. You can search in here and you can fill with your own university. So in here, I will use University of Newcastle. And then after that, you can just click Save and done. So basically in here, Lean Library has been installed to your web browser. And now you can use it as similar as the one you usually use in the library. You can search articles, you can open paywall articles and download them. But if it is your first time to install Lean Library, then you need to log in with your own university account. Okay, that's all. Thank you.